वेलकम ब्याक एभ्रिवान। आज चाहिँ म प्रदेश निजामती सेवा अन्तर्गत विविध सेवा पाँचौँ तह कम्प्युटर अपरेटर पदको खुला प्रतियोगिताको लिखित परीक्षा जुन प्रश्न सोध्दैछ त्यसको अन्सरसहित प्रस्तुत गर्दैछु। यो चाहिँ परीक्षा भएको मिति चाहिँ 2082 10 महिना 24 गते भएको थियो र यसको प्रश्न नम्बर 1 रहेछ। वाट इज द प्राइमरी फंक्शन अफ अर्थमेटिक लजिकल युनिट इन अ कम्प्युटर सीपीयू? Option A, managing input devices. Option B, controlling the monitor display. Option C, storing temporary data. Option D, performing arithmetic and logical operations. इसको correct option रहेछ D, performing arithmetic and logical operations. The question number 2 रहेछ, which device is used for input in a computer? Option A, printer. Option B, keyboard. Option D, speaker. इसको correct answer रहेछ keyboard. प्रश्न number 3, what is the full form of RAM? सबैलाई थाहा भएको random access memory. Question number 4, what is the binary equivalent of hexadecimal 3A? इसको प्रश्न नंबर रहेछ A 00111010. Question number 5, what is the perform using wildcards in the file management? इसको correct answer रहेछ option B, to search for files using pattern matching. Question number 6 रहेछ, which file extension is commonly used for Word documents? Correct answer रहेछ docx. Question number 7, which protocol is mostly suitable for ensuring secure data transmission over the internet? Correct answer रहेछ HTTPS. Which device is used to convert digital signals into analog signals? Correct answer रहेछ modem. Question number 9, what is the primary purpose of a file manager in an operating system? Is correct रहेछ to manage files and directories. Question number 10, in which generation of computers was microprocessor introduced? Correct answer is 4th. Question number 11, what is the main function of an operating system? Correct answer is to manage hardware and software resources. Question number 12, which time you turn on your computer, it checks which control files? इसको correct answer is command.com iOS MS-DOS. Question number 13, which type of operating system allows many users to use the computer at the same time? इसको correct answer is a multi-user operating system. Question number 14, the operating system keeps file information in a table called file allocation table. Question number 15, what happens when you add a program to the window taskbar? Question number 15 को answer is B, it creates a shortcut for quick access. Question number 16, which shortcut key is to align text to the right in MS Word? Correct answer is Ctrl R. Question number 17, which of the following is not a font style? Correct answer is superscript. Question number 18, what happens when you apply indentation in MS Word? Correct answer is D, shifts text inward from margin. Question number 9. Question number 19 is what is the function of find and replace in MS Word? Correct answer is search and substitute text. Question number 20 is which feature combines spreadsheet data with Word documents? Correct answer is mail merge. Question number 21, MS Word automatically moves text to the next line. This is called word wrap. Correct answer is a word wrap. Question number 22, what is thesaurus used for in MS Word? Correct answer is synonyms and antonyms. Question number 23, how do you remove tab stop markers from the ruler? Drag it. Correct answer is drag it out of the ruler. Question number 24, a screen element located below the title bar is called? Correct answer is a menu bar. Question number 25, what is gutter margin? Correct answer is a margin added for binding. You say book or my use. Question number 26, differences between relative and absolute cell reference in Excel. Correct answer is a relative changes, absolute fixed. Question number 27, what does is equal to sum A1852? Add values. As correct answer is add values. Question number 21, which symbol specifies fixed columns and rows in Excel? Correct answer is a $sign. Question number 29 is a function inside another function is called? Correct answer is a nested function. Question number 30, which option updates pivot table data? Correct answer is a refresh data. Which feature organizes data in order? Correct answer is sort. Question number 32 is the purpose of inserting a header in Excel. Correct answer is to display consistent info on each page. Question number 33 is the result of is equal to text today, comma, quotation DDD if Sunday. Correct answer is Sunday. Question number 34. What shortcut to insert new worksheet in Excel? Correct answer is Shift F11. Question number 35. What is the purpose of primary key in Access? Correct answer is a unique identifier. Question number 36. Best step after database crashes. Correct answer is a backup and restore. Question number 37. Autofill feature in Excel extends series of data. Question number 38. Suppose you are tasked with creating a query to extract sales data from database with multiple forms and reports. What should you prioritize to ensure the query runs smoothly and provides accurate results? Correct answer is optimizing the query with indexed fields and simple conditions. Question number 39. Which of the following enables you to view data from a table based on a specific criterion? Correct answer is a query. Question number 40. Which SQL command is used to create a new table in a database? Correct answer is a create table. Question number 41. Which file extension is used to save a PowerPoint presentation? Correct answer is a .pptx. Question number 42. To insert a new slides in the current presentation, we can choose Ctrl M. Question number 43. In Microsoft PowerPoint, in order to see all the slides on one screen, we use correct answer is a view and slide sorter. Question number 44. If you are tasked with creating a web pages with list and forms, which features would you prioritize to enhance user interaction and data? Correct answer is data and collection. Correct answer is interactive forms with proper validation. Question number 45 is what is the full form of HTML? इसको correct answer is hypertext markup language. Question number 46. Which of the following is correct HTML code to define a link to open in a new page? Correct answer is B. Target underscore blank हुन्छ न्यू पेजमा ओपन हुनको लागि. क्वेसन नम्बर 47 रहेछ सूचना प्रविधि न्यायाधिकरणमा कतिवटा सदस्य रहने व्यवस्था छ? यसको करेक्ट आन्सर रहेछ ए 3वटा सदस्य हुन्छन्. क्वेसन नम्बर 48. Electronic Transaction Act, popularly known as Cyber Law of Nepal, was promulgated in the year 2063 BS. र क्वेसन नम्बर 41 रहेछ which government of Nepal approved Digital Nepal Framework 2076? Correct answer is C 2076 Kartik 5. Question number 50. The main objective of National Cyber Security Monitoring Center of Nepal is correct answer is C is to monitor government's critical IT infrastructure and applications to identify threats and incidents proactively. Thank you for watching.